Hi everyone, Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use text call on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So instead of speaking, if you want to text someone using the call feature, then let me show you how to do this. So this is really useful when you cannot speak, however the other person can speak, and you can only text. So let me show you how to do this. So first, make a call to that person. Now once that's done, you'll see Call Assist. Go ahead and tap on this. And from here, tap on text call. So here, this is what the person will hear on the other line, that you're using voice assistant to convert your voice to text. Go ahead and speak, and this will basically turn it into a text for the other person. So as you can see from the other line, this is what your Samsung S25 Ultra is transcribing. And from the bottom here, you can basically answer using text. So there you go, guys. That is how to use text call on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.